Ever wondered if you could juggle open houses and ride requests, building your real estate empire while earning extra cash driving for Uber? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Can you really be a realtor and an Uber driver at the same time? First, let's talk time. Being a successful realtor isn't a 9-to-5 gig, it's evenings, weekends, always being available. Fitting Uber into that unpredictable schedule demands serious time management skills. Think carefully. Will you be able to promptly respond to client calls and showings if you're in the middle of driving someone across town? Next up, potential conflicts of interest. As a realtor, you have a fiduciary duty to your clients. This means always acting in their best interest. Driving Uber is a service, and your primary goal is to get passengers to their destination safely and efficiently. But how does this affect your realtor work? Let's say you're showing a property and a lucrative Uber request pops up. Do you ditch the showing? Ethically, you can't. Choosing Uber over client service could damage your reputation. Finally, consider your professional image. Some clients might perceive Uber as unprofessional. For a realtor, perception is reality. Weigh the potential financial benefits against the possible impact on your real estate career. Ultimately, the decision is yours, but understanding the time commitment, ethical considerations, and potential impact on your reputation is crucial before you hit the road as a realtor, Uber driver. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.